Hello friends, Artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I will be making Bloom's Trinklet tray. I have taken this blue mica powder from Let's Resin, 10 grams opaque white, 8 grams white pearl mica mix from Harry and Wilma, which Beatrice Didi had sent me, and these lovely pink holographic glitters and glitter chunk for the border of the tray. Let's mix all the colors and the glitters. After this, I will pour all the whites and blue in one cup, as I will be doing it in dirty pour style. Let's pour the glitter mix in the tray rims. After this, I will pour 90 grams of clear resin. Please note, I have mixed 150 grams of resin for the layer 1 of this tray. Now I will start making petals. Oops, it's wibbling around. So I tried to make multiple blooms in the center as I was keen on making a 3D resin bouquet again, almost after 3.5 years, but it gets funnier. So I have drawn the blooms and petals parts is done. I will allow it to cure. It's the next day. Funny, multiple blooms got pulled towards the center. Anyways, I will prepare its layer number 2 with the silver holographic glitter, which was again sent by Beatrice Didi. Let's mix it and pour it in the mold. I will allow it to cure now. It's the third and final day of demolding. Although I knew it was a fail, but I also know that it had fabulous colors and glitters. Even if the blooms would be failed, but it would look good. And it really looks so pretty. You can see the blooms disappeared totally, but still it's too gorgeous. I hope you all love it too. So what I will do now is add a transfer sheet to it. And it's done. So tell me, isn't it so pretty? And here is a small heart from a leftover resin from earlier project that I wanted to show you all. Look at the Petri effects. Can you see the colors and perfect threads in them? Really so pretty. Sadly, it was a leftover resin, so I did not record the process. I hope you all liked today's creations, and if you like them, please hit the like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Time to go now. I will try to post consistently from now on. Till then, have a great day, evening. Bye everyone.